Hi friends, I'm Sachin Malhotra. Today I'm going to be solving problem 2 for homework 9 of EL6303. So in the question we are given that um, xt is a stochastic process that equals to 2 if n is odd in the interval 0 to t and equals to minus 2 if n is even in the interval 0 to t. In the first part we have been asked to draw samples, so the sample will just oscillate between +2 and -2. In the second part we have been asked to calculate the probability of xt equals to 2. So we know from the question that if xt equals to 2 then n is odd, and for simplicity I'm assuming tau is equal to t2 minus t1. So for probability of xt equals to 2, this becomes e raised to power minus lambda tau, because we were given in the question that n is a Poisson process. So e raised to a minus lambda tau into lambda, this comes out as common. So the inner terms becomes lambda tau plus lambda tau to the power 3 upon 3 factorial and so on, all the odd terms since n is odd. So this comes out to be e raised to a minus lambda tau sine hyperbolic lambda tau. Just putting in the values of sine hyperbolic lambda tau, the probability of xt equals to 2 becomes 1 minus e raised to a minus 2 lambda tau upon 2. In this third part, we have been asked to calculate the expected value of xt. So let's first calculate for n even the probability of xt, that is equals to -2. So just putting in all the calculating for even terms, this comes out to be e raised to power minus lambda tau, 1 plus e raised to power minus 2 lambda tau by 2. Now the expected value is probability of xt equals to 2 into 2 plus probability of xt equals to -2 into -2. So just putting in all the values and solving, this comes out to be minus 2 e raised to a minus 2 lambda tau. So in the fourth part, we have been asked to calculate the autocorrelation function. So the function equals to expected values of xt1 into xt2. Now the product can either be +4 or -4, because we have xt equals to 2 or xt equals to -2. So the expected value becomes p of xt1 into xt2 equals to 4 and into +4, and p of xt1 into xt2 equals to -4 into -4. So when n is odd, and like separating these two, when n is odd and n is even, so just putting in all the values, we get the expected the autocorrelation function as -4 e raised to the minus 2 lambda tau. So as we can see, the expected value also, since tau equals to t2 minus t1, so expected value also depends upon tau and also the autocorrelation function. So this is not WSS.